When you lie, there's always going to be a consequence. Lying never wins at the end. With charity, money is purified. By service, our actions are purified. With music, our emotions are purified, and with knowledge our intellect is purified. He does not have my class, but right now it's Bob Dylan, Bob Dylan, Bob Dylan all the way. But there were no fairy godmothers. There were only mothers and grandmothers, and there was no magic wand to wave over a person's heart and make it all better. The fairy tales lied. Fucking Brothers Grimm. The old Irish, when immersing a babe at baptism, left out the right arm so that it would remain pagan for good fighting when debugging. Novices insert corrective code. Experts remove defective code. If I had £1,000, China should have it. If I had 1,000 lives, China should have them. No. Not China, but Christ. Can we do too much for him? Can we do enough for such a precious Savior? Oh, the sick, indeed, nature is sick, but to the well, a fountain of health. The art of pleasing consists in being pleased. A weapon isn't good or bad, depends on the person who uses it. And yes, again, that was it exactly. A retyper and not a writer. Don't keep forever on the public road, going only where others have gone and following one after the other like a flock of sheep. Leave the beaten track occasionally and dive into the woods. Great discoveries and improvements invariably involve